welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, and today I'm going to be propagating this Spanish moss, they call this. You could call it old man's beard, or its proper name is Tillandsia usinoid. I think that's right anyway. Perhaps you could comment down below. Tell me if I've said it right or said it wrong. Anyway, I had this bought for me as a birthday present 9 months ago, and 9 months ago I measured this plant when I bought it and it was 22 inches, and now it's over 36 inches now, and it's pushed out quite a lot, so I think that I can propagate this and get another plant from it without a problem. They're quite easy to grow. I keep it indoors in the winter, which it is now, it's very cold out, and I put it outdoors in the summer, out of full sun, but where it's really nice and bright. I spray it with rainwater, and it has to be rainwater, probably once a day or once every 2 days, or if you really want to push it and have a little break and go away, it'll last for a week or maybe even longer. And I think it's a lovely plant. Comes from tropical America originally. This one didn't. I bought this at a garden centre. It's quite expensive. It was £16, and well worth it, I think. Well worth it. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to make a start on this and see if I can get another plant from it. I'm not going to cut too much off. I still like this one as the main plant to be nice and bushy. So anyway, wish me luck. Now, I'm not going to need much in the way of tools to do this propagation job. It's not a big job, it's quite easy really. I'm going to use these side cutters or clippers to cut this wire. Now, it must be a plastic coated wire, and also some of these plastic zip ties. Everything must be coated in plastic. Don't use bare wire, it can damage the plant. And I'm going to need some scissors as well, just to cut the plant with. I'm going to make a start by cutting about 2 inches of the plastic coated wire, bending one side over, one length over, to make a hook. Now this is going to be supporting the plant wherever I decide to put it. I mean, I obviously move this about from time to time, so make a little hook on the other end too, just like this. There we go, quite simple, and that will do for hanging the plant up. Put that to one side. Put my trusty glasses on, won't be able to see what I'm doing otherwise. So, let's go and get the plant. And here it is. So, I'm just going to check it out. It's quite a big plant when you lay it down like this. Now, I want to divide a little section. It's just a little bit tricky because I don't want to break any of it. So it's carefully as you go. That's right, about this much should make a nice plant. It gets really tangled. That's where it's been outside and the wind blows it. I do love these plants though. I find them so interesting. And then they grow quite easy to grow as well. I don't know if where they originate from, they can be a bit of a menace, hanging in trees and power lines and sort of growing everywhere really. So yeah, I think that would do. That's a nice length, nice size, not too small, big enough to make a nice little propagation. So I'm going to cut it about there. Take the scissors, quick snip, and that's that done. You don't need any soil, you just need that little squirt of water, little spray of water. Once a day is quite good. Take a plastic tie. Now get that started, and then place the hook inside the plastic coated wire. Pop that in, and once that's in, I'm going to tighten up the zip lock. There we go. Not too tight, just tight enough just to support it. There we go, nicely done. Clip off that little bit there. As I say, don't use anything metal to hold it, not bare wire. You'll find that the plant will die if it's coated in, if it's got any bare wire that comes into contact with it. So there we are, just straighten it out a little bit. I think that looks pretty good, don't you? So now I have two, and it didn't cost me anything. Not for the second one anyway. Didn't cost me anything for the first one either. That was a present. So there's my original one. Still looks as good as new. Put that up there. There's my new one, not as big, and I've got a spare piece left over, so I can make another propagation with that piece. I'll put that up there. Just give them a little squirt of water, and remember, definitely got to be rainwater. There we go. And you can give it a little bit of orchid feed from time to time, and that'll be happy. Mustn't forget my spare one. There. Now I've got three. Building up my collection. Thanks for watching this latest video, guys. Hope it's helped you out there with this this plant. It's an air plant. I've got quite a few air plants, and hope you have too. If you want to propagate it, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video, and bye from me, and bye from the old man's bed. See you next time.